Join me as I take on the challenge to make this the best fall ever. I'm diving into all the fall activities and I need your help to make it happen. As the leaves start to change and the air gets crisper, I'm reminded of all the amazing things about fall. From cozying up with a warm cup of apple cider to taking long walks through the vibrant foliage, there's something special about this time of year that just feels like a fresh start. But let's be real, sometimes it can be tough to get into the fall spirit. The days are getting shorter, the weather is getting cooler, and it can be easy to feel a little down or unmotivated. I've been there too, stuck in a rut, feeling like I'm just going through the motions without any excitement or joy. One of the biggest challenges I think people face during fall is the seasonal blues. It's like the fun and excitement of summer have fizzled out, and we're left feeling a little meh. And then there's the pressure to make the most of the season, to do all the fall activities and enjoy the festivities, but sometimes it can feel overwhelming. I think another challenge is finding the motivation to get out and enjoy the season. Maybe you're busy with work or school, or maybe you're just not feeling up for it. Whatever the reason, it's easy to let the fall season slip by without really experiencing it. And let's not forget about the comparison trap. Social media can make it seem like everyone else is having an amazing fall, with perfect pumpkin patches and cozy hay rides, and it's easy to feel like we're not measuring up. So, what can we do to make this fall the best ever? Let's start with some outdoor adventures. How about a hike to see the changing leaves, or a bike ride through the crisp fall air? If that's not your thing, you could always try some DIY projects, like making your own pumpkin decorations or crafting a beautiful fall wreath for your front door. If you're looking for something more low-key, you could always check out some local events, like a farmer's market or a fall festival. These events are a great way to connect with your community and experience the sights, sounds, and tastes of the season. Another fun idea is to try some seasonal activities, like apple picking or visiting a corn maze. These activities are a great way to get outside and enjoy the fall weather, and they're perfect for making memories with friends and family. One standout activity that I think embodies the spirit of fall is visiting a pumpkin patch. There's something so magical about wandering through the vines, searching for the perfect pumpkin, and enjoying the scenery. And let's not forget about the photo ops. A pumpkin patch is the perfect place to take some adorable fall photos. If you're looking for something a little more unique, you could always try a fall festival. These events usually feature live music, delicious food, and plenty of fall activities, like pumpkin decorating and face painting. Visiting a pumpkin patch or attending a fall festival are just a few ideas to get you started. The most important thing is to find activities that make you happy and help you connect with the season. So, to recap, we've talked about some common challenges that can make it tough to enjoy the fall season, and we've explored a variety of fun activities that can help you make the most of it. From outdoor adventures to DIY projects, there are plenty of ways to make this fall the best ever. If you're as excited as I am about making this fall the best ever, I want to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite fall activities, and be sure to check out my other videos for more seasonal inspiration.